Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go today. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have a special unboxing to do today. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from, oh boy, Oeyes. This is Oeyes. I just say Oeyes. Oeyes.com. I'll leave the links down below. You guys can check them out. They got the hottest new fashion in the Cyberland for your fall and summer needs. Sunglasses, everything from that till dresses, shoes, jeans. We'll take a sneak peek at what they have to offer, what they look like. And like I said, this will be a great way to save some money up for good old fall season and Christmas with the holidays coming up. So, something new to check out. Here we go, and let's take. I gotta shut this light off. Here we go. Here we go. Definitely excited for this. So thank you guys over there at Oeyes for sending me this for a review. Oh yeah, almost there. And number one we have here. Oh boy, we got a bunch in here. Yeah, getting hot in here. I'll leave the links for each item down below. And we have here. And also you guys could check it out on my Instagram. I'll have these shown. There we go. The old school bubble wrap. Boom. Oeyes. I got here women's big box cat eye sunshade glasses. Alright. Nice case though. Let's see if these are styling and profiling. Oh yeah. Freak out, freak out. Here we go. First item up to show. Got the stunner shades on. Oh yeah. Put these on over you. Look at that. Ooh. It's pretty dark. Has a nice color to it. Oh, they're not bad. I don't want to totally break them, but definitely nice way to go for a decent sized pair. Hey, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, we got number one out of the way. Move, get out of the way. Hopefully it's not too long of a video. Number two, same thing. Oh boy. Oh, these are nice ones too. Oh yeah, stunner shades. Check that out. Hopefully you guys can see it in the camera. See the projector, dark. Nice tint to it. Just gotta clean them up. That's what it looks like. Sides. Alright, that's one pair, or that's the second pair. And now we're getting to the more goodies. So these are the pair of glasses, and this one is the conjoined piece of transparent jelly cat eye. Alright. And there it is. Shout out to Oeyes. And we got number three item here. Nice little baggie. Oeyes.com. Warning. Bag is not a toy. No, it is not. Do not eat it either. It's not edible. What do we have here, guys? What do we have here? Alright. Oh, we got a dress. We got the leopard print. Pretty good material right here. Here's the back zipper. The zipper in the back. I should get a mannequin doll. There's that front. There's the back, bottom. You guys want to send me a mannequin doll? Be my guest. But definitely not going to wear these. Might get arrested. Alright, so there's a zipper. Good material. So number 3 item. And let's get down to the business. Here we go. Oh, we got some socks. Socks card. Alright. It's like Christmas. Dude. Look at these bad boys. My attitude. I don't got an attitude. How rude. Oh, there we go. Do a Mr. Sacco version. Mr. Sacco. Oh yeah, these are comfy though. Not gonna lie, these are really nice. Soft. Good color. Got something on the armband. Take these off now. Yeah, these are nice pair. So my attitude. Pretty cool. It's a symbol. Alright. So we got the socks. Sunglasses. A dress. Oh, 2 pairs. Sweet. Color matching leather socks and tights. Tights. I didn't see no tights, but I don't know. Let's see what else we got here. Oh boy. Ah, we got some jeans. See, they also sell jeans too. These are nice looking. Got that new funky style they got out with the cuts. I remember back in my day, we weren't allowed to have cuts. Man, these feel comfy. So like I said, I'll have these on Instagram also. Man, these are really nice. Definitely gonna wash them like I do with all my clothes, and probably give these away to my mom or another friend or somebody. Who knows? Definitely I can't wear them. But here we go. Yeah, these are nice quality. Alright, alright. And number... what is this? Shirt. Alright. Take it out of the bag. Take it out of the bag. Yo eyes. Yo eyes. There we go. That's nice. Nice for the fall. Got the arm ties on that. Great quality material. Perfect. So definitely YouTubers, like I said, check them out. I'll have the links down below. You guys go get the new wardrobe at a low cost. Fastly shipped to you guys. This probably took maybe less than a week, and I'm coming from Michigan, so it didn't take that long of shipping time either. So like I said, Christmas is coming up, fall, back to school, get some new fashion. This is the way to go. Get this for under $100. Got a couple pairs of socks, dress, jeans, dress outfit. So pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Hey, have a good day, and see you guys soon.